I ain't tripping. Yeah. It's about the quality of life, not the kicking and screaming. Got to give your purpose brand new meaning, a lost soul. And I ain't talking bone when speaking about crossroads. My uncertain thoughts, believe me, the Lord knows. And every lie that's told, eventually truth shows. Got 8 goals, so when I smile, yeah, it glows. We was friends, so how you letting that door close? Accept rejection from people trying to seek perfection. When they show you who they are, ain't no need of second guessing. I just seek correction and staying thankful for my blessings. I was never perfect, but she gon' tell me I ain't worth it. Is it worth forgiving? Standing on every word and decision, still amongst the living. Trusting the Lord, we God's children. Every bridge we building, accountable for how you feeling. Though I play the villain, some people really just unforgiving. Jealous to see you winning, and that is no pretending, cause we all sinning. When I say blind, it ain't your vision. Procrastination on how you moving and how you living. Don't waste time just making mess for you to sit in. I don't wanna fit in, cause it's heaven I wanna get in. Yeah.